Igsoon last video naghiskot ta about sa ants, conies ug locusts. Karon maghiskot na pud ta sa spider. Ingon ang Proverbs chapter 30 verse number 28. The spider take it hold with her hand and is in king's palaces. Kabalo mo that Proverbs highlight a small lowly creature like the spider who through diligence and quiet work finds herself in the most glorious places, a king's palace. Unsa may spiritual wisdom nga makuha nato sa spider? Number one, diligence and faithfulness lead to honor. The spider's ability to dwell in king's palace comes from its faithful labor. Pasabot ba sa samang paagi igsuon, those who are diligent in their walk with God, praying, serving, trusting Him, will find themselves dwelling in the presence of the kings of kings and lords of lords. Maingon gyud si Jesus Christ ay, thou good and faithful servant. Wow, pagkanindot ana. Ikaduha nga spiritual wisdom nga makuha nato sa spider is God's presence is not reserved for the mighty. Pasabot pa, just as the spider is found in the royal palaces, God's welcome even the humblest soul into His presence. Pinaagi ni Kristo, we can boldly approach the throne of grace. Makita na siya sa Hebrews chapter 4, verse number 16. Una ingon ng Ginoo, there are four things which are little upon the earth, but they are exceeding wise. Ants, conies, locusts, and spider. Igsoon, be wise like them. I hope na atay makuha ang wisdom sa ilaha. Thank you and God bless us all.